For optimal cleaning performance, it's best to regularly clean bO's filters, dustbin, brushes, sensors, self-empty charging station, and front wheel. We recommend cleaning the dustbin and dusting off the filters about once a month. Start by removing the dustbin. Open the dustbin by pulling and dump out any dust residue inside. Open the tab and empty any remaining liquid from the water reservoir as well. Then wash or wipe the dustbin and air dry all parts completely before putting them back together. To clean the filters, open the filter cover on top of the dustbin. Remove any congestion inside, then remove and dust off the filters. Filters should be replaced about once every 6 months. We recommend cleaning bO's brushes about once a week. You will have to flip the bot around and remove them completely, as well as the parts that hold them in place. Use a soft surface to protect the SLAM LiDAR when flipping bO. Remove the side brush. Clean thoroughly using the cleaning tool. If necessary, use a pair of scissors to clean out hair wrapped around the brushes. Don't forget to clean the side brush socket too. You may use a pair of tweezers to clear out any congestion inside. To clean the main brush, you'll need to first remove the brush gate. Pinch the tab and lift. Remove the main brush and clean it from end to end. Don't forget to clean the brush gate and brush compartment as well. You may once again use a pair of scissors or tweezers to help remove hair or congestion. We recommend removing and cleaning the front wheel about once a month. To remove the front wheel, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Using the screwdriver for leverage, grip the wheel firmly and pull. Clean the wheel and wheel socket thoroughly. When done, press and lock the wheel back onto the wheel assembly again. You may open and clean the wheel assembly if you notice debris buildup inside of it. To do so, first remove the front wheel using a flathead screwdriver. Once the front wheel is popped out, unscrew the wheel assembly. Spin the base and remove the screw on the opposite side of the wheel assembly. Use the screwdriver to pry out the wheel assembly. Clean the wheel assembly, and wheel socket thoroughly. When done, place the assembly back into bO and replace both screws. Press and lock the wheel back onto the wheel assembly again. We also recommend wiping down the sensors when dusty. Using a soft cotton cloth, wipe bO's edge sensors, charging plates, bumper, and cover of the LiDAR. Avoid touching the inner parts or inserting items into the LiDAR. Wipe the charging nodes and transmitter window on bO's station. Inspect the disposal vent to ensure smooth flow of air and clean any dust residue. Depending on the amount of dirt and debris that bO collects, the dust bag should be emptied once every 2 to 4 months. Open the lid on top of the station and pull up on the cardboard card to remove the dust bag from its container. This helps seal the dust bag so dust and debris cannot escape. Open the zipper located on the dust bag. Carefully discard the bag's contents. If the zipper is dusty or dirty, wipe it clean. Then close the zipper securely and check that the bag is properly sealed. Inspect and clean the dust bag container from any debris buildup or any blockage for free flow of air. To reinstall the dust bag, place it back into the station with the opening facing the inlet. Slide the card into the guide rails inside the station. Ensure the dust bag sits flat and is properly aligned before closing the station lid. This guarantees proper function and prevents dust leakage. Now close the lid. bO's battery comes with a 2-year warranty, but its lifespan can vary depending on its use. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to open the battery compartment. Slide the battery out and unplug it. Plug in your new battery and slide it back inside bO. Reinstall the screw when done. Do not dispose of old batteries. Instead, recycle safely through your local recycler. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our helpful support team.